So I'm working on my looseness, trying to develop more of a loose style to my oil painting. And it's really tough being a detailed oriented person. And like most artists, you I do get wound up in the details. So um, this is one of my first few attempts to try to loosen up. Here's my reference. Here's my reference photo, and that's my first painting, which is okay, but it's still pretty tight. Getting picky using smaller brushes, and I realized my mistake as I was too far into it, so I discontinued with that style. And this one is much more loose. See the difference in the chickens? And the chickens here. I still got some work to do.